Tell me if this sounds familiar. You wake up in the middle of the night because you're thirsty, and you know you're not going to get back to sleep until you get that drink of water. But here's the problem. The house is dark, and darkness always makes things feel farther away where danger waits around every corner. I could turn on the light, but I don't want to wake my husband. So what do? And then I remember, my phone has a flashlight powerful enough to push back the dark, and it's always with me. Yes, I'm making a spiritual connection here because I have something else I can go to that's more powerful than, well, anything in this world in reality. Psalm 119:105 says, "Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path." Pretty straightforward, right? The author of this verse says God's word shows me where I'm going and how to get there too. Out of all the things that clamor for our attention and direction, things like success, money, romance, influence, and power, God's word won't take us down the wrong path. The wisdom and understanding the Bible gives us helps us take step after step in life. Now, I want you to notice something. This verse doesn't say the path will be easy, nor does it say we won't face our fair share of actual dangers. But because of God's word, we'll know what to do when they come. So the next time you find yourself heading out into this sometimes dark and scary world of ours, know His word is always there for you and me. We just need to pick it up and see which way it's pointing.